नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड के बारे में आरबीआई ने कुछ सजेशंस दिए हैं रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को। ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड, आरबीआई फॉर नेगेटिव रजिस्ट्री कैप ऑन द ट्रांजैक्शन इन न्यू अकाउंट्स। द इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन हैज सजेस्टेड creating a standard operating procedure SOP to stop the downstream flow of the funds once fraud is reported. If any bank becomes aware that a customer has received proceeds from any fraudulent or the theft amount in their account, the account should be blocked immediately and further steps should be taken according to law. The note from the RBI added. The RBI has also suggested a more effective interference with law enforcement agencies by establishing a state-wide centralized contact center to send and receive information and updates about cyber fraud between banks and law enforcement agencies for the faster and uniform resolution. In the 7 months leading up to the March 23, banks and payment operators have reported a total of rupees 1,750 crores in online payment frauds. Amid a substantial increase in online transactions in recent months, the Reserve Bank of India data showed that the fourth quarter of March 23 alone recorded payment fraud of over rupees 800 crores under the new reporting format. In March 23, there were 2.25 lakhs transactions involving payment frauds of worth rupees 333 crores, but there is no comparable data available for the same period in the previous year. The fraudsters are developing new and sophisticated techniques. These includes impersonating employers, using the dark web for cyber attacks, and employing social engineering tactics. The RBI has also suggested fixing a threshold limit of transaction for newly opened CASA, current and saving accounts based on the financial soundness of account holders. Furthermore, banks should monitor frequent transactions to high-risk merchants, among others. In addition, the banks propose creating a robust SOP to stop the downstream flow of funds once fraud is reported. Indian banks have suggested a number of measures to counter the rising incidence of online fraud. The Indian Bank Association has pushed for the greater safeguards as online frauds becoming increasingly sophisticated with the advent of the owner technology. One measure proposed by the bank is the creation of negative registry of fraudster accounts, which would allow all banks to access a central database. The RBI already maintains an exhaustive database of the attempted fraud in the form of CFR/CPI FIR, which can be enriched by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Cyber Police Department, which have end-to-end data of complaints. अगर गवर्नमेंट आरबीआई के सजेशन को आरबीआई मान के इस पर आगे बढ़ती है तो हम ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड से कम इसको रोक सकते हैं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।